Living in a big city could be so stressful, especially with the traffic jams. And even though you take public transportation, not gonna get you to the final destination easily. Or when you live in a small town like me and need a simple energy savings, money savings, and fast enough to get to your destination, also encourage you to get exercise more, you gonna need an e-bike. There is bunch of e-bike in the market. Why you should choose Engwe L20? Not only you can ride it in the city, but Engwe L20 with 20 by 4 inches fat tires, designed to handle a variety of terrains, including sands, snow, mud, and rough trails. So, if you love adventure and outdoor activities, Engwe is perfect for you to enjoy the beauty of nature. Engwe L20 is utilized the front suspension for your best comfort for your ride, ensuring a smooth and comfortable ride. Super powerful 750-watt hub motor with high torque enables you to speed up in no time. And with 25 miles per hour max speed, you can get to the destination quicker. L20 also effortlessly assembles. Start with the handlebar. And then the wheels. And then the mud guard. Front basket. Headlights. Installing the pedals. And start to charge the battery for 4 to 6 hours. In the meantime, add the adjustable seat post plus saddle in it. Look at this gorgeous modern style of Engwe L20. I love it when now assembled perfectly. With a 20 inches wheel size, maximum load 264 pounds or 120 kilos. It's a great design handlebar for riding, nice front basket design, and definitely versatile. Aluminum alloy body material, well-made pedal for exercise, battery capacity 13 mAh, comfy saddle and great leather. With 2 keys, just in case you lose it once, so you got the spare. You could charge the battery 2 different ways. Just leave it at the bike, or you can take it whatever easier for you to charge it. Simply open the seat post and slide the saddle up. Make sure the key at the off position and take out the battery. Great mudguard design for the fat tires as well. Sturdy rear rack for you if you want to bring something. To start, turn on the key clockwise and then on the display, press the power button for 3 seconds. Then press plus button to add more power and enjoy the ride. About the headlights, you just need to press the plus button for 3 seconds and ready for the night ride. Engwe L20 uses 7-speed Shinamo gear shift system, made of metal that's easy to control and handle, and can be adjusted to suit different riding conditions. Lower gears make pedaling easier. Higher gear allow for better movement downhill and on flat roads. For more advanced adjustability compared to single or 3-speed drivetrains. Engwe also has some accessories that you can purchase to upgrade your e-bike. I've got this spiral lock for my L20 as well for double secure when I leave my L20 at the park or at work. And meet my best friend, Jenny. Oh, it's okay, Luna. It's okay.
Take it.
So she's the one always care about me, always support me, whatever I'm doing, crazy, silly.
I love her.
Always support me. Thank you so much. I love you. And this is Luna. Luna, she's a sweetheart though. Only around 4 to 6 hours charging time, you could ride Engwe L20 up to 90 miles. That's so many things you can achieve for 90 miles. And the coolest thing, the power will turn off by itself if we don't ride it for 10 minutes. So definitely save the battery energy. Having an innovative solution to urban transportation that beat the traffic, affordable, and have the best impact for environment because of less pollution and no gas needed. So awesome, guys. Explore a new way with Engwe. And if you purchase it with the link that I share in the description box, guys, I guarantee you gonna have the best price on Engwe e-bike. Thank you so much, guys. I love you and I will see you soon.